What's up everyone? Today I'm going to swap the front end on this wrecked Tomos. Subscribe to Moped Rich for more moped content. Let's start out by removing the handlebars. Then we can remove the top plate. Next, remove the neck nut. Using a magnet, remove all the bearings you can. It might be best to remove all the headlight and accessories before removing the top plate and bearings, but this is how I tackle the repair. Disconnect any lights and speedo accessories if you have them. Remove the speedo cable from the wheel. Then free it from the forks. Next, disconnect the brake cable from the wheel and free it from the forks too. Careful not to lose any pieces. Make sure all your wiring is disconnected from the lights and horn. Lift the front of the moped and slide the forks out of the bottom. Next, we are going to grease up the cups to hold the bearings in place. Carefully place the bearings into the grease. The grease will hold the bearings and keep them from falling out. Slide the new forks in. Now we repeat the process for the top. Pack the grease and install the bearings. Install the cups and dust covers for the bearings. Slide the forks up and secure them with the fork nut. Install the headlight bracket, then bolt on the top plate, Make sure not to over tighten the forks so they're smooth for steering. Install all handlebars and accessories and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.